Good evening, friends. In the last videos, we covered up to LBP number 70. Sir, we need to talk about the next program, that is from LBP number 71 onwards we have to see. Sir, let me discuss about these programs one by one. Okay. Sorry, 1 minute. 72. Yeah. Sir, let me start LBP number 71, sir. So what is this 71st problem? Vowel replacer. So create a function that replaces all the vowels in the given string with a specified character. Sir, they are going to give a separate character, it seems. Okay, they are going to give a separate character. So what is our task? We have to replace every vowel with that character. Okay, we have to replace every vowel with that character. I think the logic is very simple, sir. Okay, what is a logic for this? We have to read a string from the user. Okay, next and after that we have to read so character from the user. So what is our next activity? So if for you have to fetch each and every character. For each character ch. Okay, so if ch is aeiou aeiou, sir, then print ch, sorry, ch, that is a character c. Else, so we have to print ch. That's all. So wherever vowel is coming, then you have to replace with ch. If vowel is not there, that means a consonant means you have to take that character as it is. I think, sir, the previous program somewhere we have seen, right, replacement of vowel with space, sorry, empty characters. I think you can do this program as it is. You can do. If you want to, let me have a look once. Observe carefully. Sir, here in C language, in addition to this, we have to read one more character, ch. Okay, I'm going to read scanf. Sir, don't take a percentage C comma ampersand ch, because the problem is nothing but after giving input yes, we are going to give /n manually. Okay, sir, 1 minute. Hello. Good evening, madam. Cheppandi. ఏది మేడం? 3 PM. ఓకే ఓకే, ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం, ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం, చూస్తాను. రాలేదు. రాలేదు మేడం. సర్లేండి. ఓకే. Yeah. So just I am going to read the character. Directly we should not read the character, because, sir, after string automatically new line character is there. That's why we have to skip that new line character /n you have to take. So whatever new line character is there, it is going to skip that new line character and then it will read the character. Then if any vowel came, sir, don't continue, just try to print the character which you want to replace. That's all. Sir, what about Java? What about Java? Sir, in Java, I think, sir, we have to read separately. So I am taking string s is equal to obj dot next line. I am going to read the string and then so character. Okay, I think directly in the form of string itself you can take, no issues. String ch is equal to obj dot next line. So here I want to replace s dot replace all of wherever this vowel is there, I want to replace with ch. That's all. Sir, what about Python? In Python also we have to read two inputs separately. S1 is equal to input, S2 is equal to input. Sir, in S1, in S1, wherever vowels are there, I want to replace with S2. That's all. This is nothing but the program. Of course, successfully, this program is going to work for all the test cases. Let me check. Let me check for all test cases. Let me open C language code. Let me run the code. Yes, it is working for all the public test cases. Okay. So let me submit the code for private test cases. Yes, you can able to see, sir, every test case is successfully passed. Okay, this is nothing but the code, but I want to run in Java. Okay, how you can able to run in Java? Already we implemented the code, just we have to take a copy paste. Let me run the code and submit the code. All the test cases are passed. And let me take Python. Just change the programming language. Yes, and submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed. Okay, so this is nothing but what we have. So clear up to this. Do you have any doubts? Please explain scanf character in line with example. See, nothing is there here. Observe carefully. In C language, how the input is going to be accepted. For example, welcome is there. I want to replace with A. See, welcome is in first line. How to get next character? Manually /n is there here. Okay, /n means what? New line character. While reading, it will accept it as a string. So if you are reading character directly, this /n will be considered as a next character, not the character which you are giving like A. So to read this, we have to skip the new line character. So that's why we have to take /n. Clear? Sai. Sir, I don't know what happened to remaining people. I request everyone to please respond. Any doubts up to this? Where you can take space. See, the input is already given. Sai, input is already given. We should not disturb. Space also, I think so, no. Yeah, try by yourself. If it is working, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Sir, what is the next problem that we have here is nothing but LBP number 72. So what is this problem? Say hi. Okay. Sorry, say hello, say bye. Like this we have. So write a function that takes a string name and a number num, either 0 or 1, and return hello plus name. Otherwise, if the number is 1, we have to print hello plus name. Otherwise, we have to print bye plus name. So anyway, compulsory we have to print hello followed by name or bye followed by name. The name is already given. And if the input is 1, then we have to print hello name. If the input is 0, then we have to print bye followed by name. Nothing but I am trying to read a string followed by a number. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay. Now, let me go for C language implementation of this problem. Once if you see some sample test cases, you will get the clarity. Yes. So Prakash is there, 1 is the input, then hello Prakash, Java and then 0. Sir, by Java, like this we have. Let me see how you can able to implement in C language. So character s of 100 I am taking, integer n I am taking. Sir, scanf percentage s comma yes I am taking. Okay, then scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. In this case, slash n is not required. Why it is not required? In the sense, in the previous example, slash n is nothing but the character, that's why we have a problem. But here we are reading integer, even if you take slash n, it will be skipped and it will take a next integer value. Okay, what is it, sir? K is equal to, see why it is not working? In the sense, they are asking only vowel replacement. Okay, so you have done replacement in the string. Whenever you are getting vowel, then only you are doing replacement. If it is not vowel, original string will be there or not? Yes, it will be there. That's why we are not going to get any problem. Okay, Lokesh. That's what I am telling. See, whenever vowel is there, then only you have done replacement. For consonant, you are not doing any operation. Yeah, no problem. Else means what? See, in my program, I am trying to print the value. That's why I have taken else. Really, if I want to do replacement in the original string, no need to touch else part, because if it is vowel, then only replacement is required. If it is a consonant, then replacement is not required. Are you getting my point, Lokesh? Yeah, yeah. Now, so based on this value of n, we have to take a decision. If n is equal to 1, then I'm going to print the message saying hello, followed by percentage s comma yes. Else, printf, you have to print by followed by percentage s comma yes. That's all. Let me run the code. All the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can implement in C language. Let me go for Java implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Java? Same thing. We have to read a string followed by a number. So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. Then first we have to read string, right? String s is equal to obj dot next line. Then integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int. So based on this, if n is equal to 1, then we have to print system dot out dot println of hello followed by space, I think space is required, plus yes. Else what we have to do? System dot out dot println of sir by followed by space plus yes. That's all. Nothing beyond that. Is it going to work or not? Let me cross check. Perfect, sir. And let us submit the code. Perfectly it is working. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. Sir, I want to go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Python? Let us have a look once. I want to take s is equal to input, then n is equal to int of input. Okay, sorry. If the value of n is equal to 1, I need to print the message called hello, right? I need to print the message called hello, followed by yes. Directly you can print by why? Because default delimiter is nothing but space only. Otherwise I need to print a by followed by yes. That's all, sir. Let me run the code. Perfectly working, and let us submit the code. This is nothing but what we have. Okay, so hope it is very clear for you people how you can able to solve this problem in various programming languages. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, sir. Very good. Now let me go for next one. What is the next challenge that we have here is LBP number 73. So what is this problem, sir? Valid zip code. Valid zip code. Sir, zip code consisting of 5 consecutive digits. Total how many digits are there in the zip code? 5 digits are there. Okay, given a string, write a function to determine whether the input is valid zip code or not. Sir, a valid zip code is following these 3 rules. It must contain only numbers. It should not contain any spaces. The length should be only 5. Simple, sir. By using regular expressions, okay, or by using simple for loop, you can able to run this. What is the logic behind this? I will take counter as the 0 for each I is equal to 0. Okay, until you are getting s of I plus plus. I will check, okay, whether your s of I is greater than or equal to 0, and if your s of I is less than or equal to 9, because they are asking only digits. Then counter plus plus, counter plus plus. Definitely what should be the value of counter, sir? Print okay, sorry, if c is double equal to 5, then we have to print a message saying true, else you can print false. That's all. Beyond that nothing is there. I think the logic behind this program is very clear for you people. Sir, please confirm, my dear students, is this logic is clear for you people? If it is a clear, I will go with implementation of the program. Please confirm. Cannot check with length at starting. No, no, no. Lokesh, there may be a chance of having characters also, but observe the first one. It must contain only numbers. Clear? Lokesh. Very good. Let me go for C language implementation, sir. I think in Java and Python we can use regular expressions, but C language compulsory we have to do manually. What is the problem number? I forgot. 73, I think so. Yeah. Thank you, Prashant. Have a look once. Sample input 0. Sir, 59001. Yes, true. Sir, 853A7. False. 73232. True. So they have given one rule. It should not contain any spaces. There may be a chance of spaces also. That's why while reading the data, you have to read including spaces. Character S of 100 I am taking. Integer I and count is equal to 0. scanf percentage yes, sorry, scanf percentage cap of slash n, and then yes. Yes, I am ready. Perfect. Now for I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus. If your s of I is greater than or equal to 0, and if your s of I is less than or equal to 9, then I am going to increment a counter plus plus. Finally, so printf take a counter is equal to 5. If it is true, I am printing the message called true. Otherwise, I am printing the message called false. Let me run the code. Is it working? Yes, all the test cases are passed. Let me submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the remaining test cases are passed, sir. This is the way how you can able to implement in C language. I want to go for Java implementation. Let us see how you can able to implement in Java. Okay. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in I am taking. So I am going to read. First we have to read a string value. Okay. Yeah. So string s is equal to obj dot next line. Okay. Now as usual we need to maintain I. Count is equal to initially 0. Sir, for each I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Then if s dot char at of I is greater than or equal to 0, and s dot char at of I is less than or equal to 9, then you have to print counter plus plus. That's all. Finally, system dot out dot println of counter is double equal to 5. Sir, is it your count value is equal to 5 or not? I am checking. If it is 5, it will print automatically true. Otherwise it will print false, because it is return type is boolean, right? That's why there is no issues at all. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java. Okay. I want to go for Python implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this program in Python. Okay. S is equal to, I am taking input, C is equal to 0, count is equal to 0 for each I in S. Okay. So if I dot is a digit, if I dot is a digit, if it is the digit, then count is equal to count plus 1. That's all. Sir, we have to print true when if C is double equal to 5, else we can print false. Simple logic, sir. Let me check, is it going to work? Yes, perfect. Let me submit the code. All the test cases are passed successfully. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Consecutive one. Yeah, you can take, no problem. Lokesh. So they have not mentioned which is the starting, which is ending, such a type of things. So hence we don't have any issues on that. Clear? Sir, please confirm. Everyone, is it clear up to this? Yeah. So let me go for the next problem. What we have here is, can we see is digit in Java also? I think yes. I think yes, Lokesh. I think yes. You can able to see. Morning I covered, I think so. Yeah, we have the function in Java. Have you observed? Is digit. Yes, we have. Clear. Who asked this doubt? Lokesh. Yeah. Sir, okay, okay. Those who are interested to attend my core Java and Python classes. Okay, so core Java at morning 8 o'clock. Sorry, at morning 7 o'clock. A new batch is there from 12th March 2022. Okay, and the syllabus is updated. I'm going to take updated syllabus. Okay, Python is also there. Python fast track. Okay, at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. I think I announced this batch in our regular class also. So within 25 days or 30 days, this batch got completed. Okay, so tomorrow we have a demo session on this. Tomorrow 10th, yes, 10th March 2022. I will share these two links in our WhatsApp group. If anyone interested, you can join or you can forward to your friends also, those who want to learn core Java and Python. And soon you can expect my full stack Java and Python batches in the evening. Okay, yeah. So let me go for the next concept, sir. The next concept what we have here is LBP number 74. Sir, what is this 74th problem? Return middle character of the string. Okay, we have to return middle character of the string. So create a function that takes a string and return the middle characters. Okay, if words length is odd, then we have to return only middle character. If the word's length is even, return middle two characters. We know that suppose if the length is even, you can't identify the middle character. In such cases, we have to take two middle characters. Okay, sir, nothing more than that. If length is even, so print s of n by 2 minus 1, okay, comma s of n by 2. If length is odd, okay, then we have to print s of n by 2, right? This is nothing but the logic for this program. Of course, you need to implement in C language. Sir, please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? If you want, I will take one example. Suppose if the given string is abc, we have to get b. N is what? 3 by 2 is what? 1. So 0 first location is b. Suppose if we have abcd, then we have to print bc, because n by 2 means 4 by 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, and previous character also. So that's why n by 2 minus 1. Okay, sir, please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm, sir. If the logic is clear, I can go for implementation. Yes, so let me take C language implementation of this problem. Yes, sir, character s of 100 I am taking, integer n, scanf percentage s comma s I am taking, then n is equal to strlen of s I am taking. So if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, then I am going to print percentage c comma s of n by 2 minus 1 comma s of n by 2. Like this I am taking, else otherwise. So what we have to do, sir, printf percentage c comma s of n by 2. That's all. The code is going to work properly. Perfect. And submit the data. Sir, is the remaining test cases are passed or not? Yes. So this is the way how you can able to solve this problem. Perfect, sir. I want to go for Java implementation. In Java also same scenario, right? Okay, let me go with Java. What is the first step? Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. So string s is equal to obj dot next line, then integer n is equal to s dot length I am taking. Then if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, then system dot out dot println of s dot char at of n by 2 minus 1, n by 2 minus 1 plus provide some space plus s dot char at of n by 2. Like this we are taking. Else, so system dot out dot println of s dot char at of n by 2. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfect, sir, and submit the code. This is nothing but what we have in Java implementation. I want to go for Python implementation. Let me solve this problem in Python. S is equal to, I am taking input, n is equal to length of s we are taking. So if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, then print of s of n double slash 2 minus 1. You know very well why I am taking n double slash 2, because we need integral value. That's why, comma s of n double slash 2. So what is the separator value, sir? Empty. Else, so I'm going to take print of s of n double slash 2. That's all. Just based on index value we are printing, nothing more than this in this program. Okay, let me submit the code. Correct location. We can do. Sir, any doubts in this program implementation? Please confirm, friends. Any doubts in this program? I request everyone to respond. Any doubts in this program? Please confirm. In Python, if both are int, then only it will return int. Otherwise a float. No. You are talking about double slash, huh? Sai? Yeah. Sir, please confirm. Is it clear up to this? Yes. Let me go for the next problem. The next problem what we have here is index of first vowel. Sir, we have to return index of first vowel. Nothing but very easy program only. You have to return first vowel present in your string, that index. Sir, for each I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus. Very simple, sir. If I is AEIOU, then so print I value, break the loop. Not I if s of I. That's all. So directly I am going for implementation. Let me see how you can able to solve this problem. Okay, let me take yeah, no problem. Find is not required. Directly you can run, because they are asking only first occurrence, right? That's why. So character s of 100 I am taking. I am going to read the string percentage s comma s. So for integer I is equal to 0, s of I I plus plus. So if s of I is double equal to a, or if your s of I is double equal to e, S of I double equal to I O U. If any one of this character found, then you have to print percentage d comma that index value I, and then you have to terminate the program. Let me run the code. Perfect, sir. And submit the code for final approval. Yeah, this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, how to do this in Java? Let me have a look once. The program is the same. I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in. String s is equal to obj dot next line. Okay, so for integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. If s dot char at of I, every time it is difficult for me, character s dot so char at of I. Suppose if that character is equal to a e I o u, so then you have to print the index value and then terminate the loop. That's all. Let me run the code. Perfect, sir. And submit the code. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is the way how you can implement in Java. Let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve in Python. So please make sure in Python, sir, you can't directly run the program. Compulsory you have to run a loop based on index values only. Okay, s is equal to I am taking input for each I in the range of 0 to length of s. Okay, so if s of I is in AEIOU, then you have to print the value of I and then terminate the program. Let me run. Perfect, sir. And submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem in Python. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Any doubts up to this? 5378. Ayo, Sai, what is there? S dot char at of I. Instead of taking that s dot char at of I every time, just I copied that into one character because to reduce the number of lines. I mean number of characters. Okay. Clear. Every time I need to type s dot char at of I. So that much characters you need to type. That's why just I used ch. Clear, Sai? No, sir. Okay. Yeah. Sir, that's all about today's session. Sir, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. So where we are going to discuss a few more programs. Okay. And I told already Saturday and Sunday 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, we have a class. Is oval function is not there, I think so. Please check it once. Is oval function is not there, I think so. Lokesh. Yeah. Sir, thank you. I will update the running notes within few minutes. Okay. How to check upcoming batches? It will be there in our Telegram or YouTube channel. or durgasoft.com website is there. In that you can able to see my upcoming batches. Okay. Yeah, thank you.